Digital art is a billion-dollar business, with everyone from Paris Hilton to Damien Hirst trading in non-fungible tokens. NFT is a digital token that is redeemable for a digital piece of art. But are they just a get-rich-quick scheme masquerading as a culture? Snoop Dogg, Lindsay Lohan, and John Cleese have all tried selling digital art. In today's video, you will learn how much these NFTs are going for and how one man went from flat broke to making $4 million in a single day with NFTs. Today on True Crypto. Before we begin, we ask you to like, share, and subscribe to get the latest and trending news on crypto, NFTs, mining, and more. So give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm to stay updated. In July, it was estimated that sales of NFTs in the first half of 2021 rose by more than $2 billion. A trend that prompted Christie's and Sotheby's to host their own NFT auctions and that is credited with driving contemporary art sales to an all-time high. Yet the symbolism was potent. Digital art is here to replace its physical forebear, and its coming supremacy should be reflected by a higher price tag. In March, the crypto firm Injective Protocol paid $95,000 for Morons, a physical artwork by Banksy depicting an auctioneer selling a framed picture bearing the words, "I can't believe you morons actually buy this shit." An NFT is a digital certificate of ownership, almost always bought and sold using cryptocurrency. Unlike the commercial gallery business model, NFTs are designed to cut out the need for art dealers. All transactions are logged on the blockchain, a type of database invented in 1991 for the purpose of recording the movement of cryptocurrency, allowing Kitties to exist. CryptoKitties is an online game launched in 2017, enabling players to trade and breed unique cartoon felines, sold as NFTs, using blockchain technology. Trevor Jones, a 51-year-old painter from Edinburgh. Jones is the most successful NFT artist in the UK, although you've probably never heard of him. In 2019, he began making NFTs. 5 years ago, I was having trouble paying my mortgage, he says. I went from relying on friends to pay my expenses to making $4 million in a single day. Jones has created a reputation for himself by merging painting and digital technology, frequently creating crypto-themed parodies of great works of art. To sell an NFT called Bitcoin Angel, Jones used a website called Nifty Gateway, one of a number of online auction sites designed for trading NFTs that are now flooded with aspiring crypto artists. Beeple's $69 million NFT was the first piece of crypto art ever sold by a major auction house. Art critic Dean Kissick has described the scene as Etsy for guys. I introduced NFTs to the Christie's audience and thereby the world, he says. The technology is designed against the existing art world, says Noah Davis, a specialist at Christie's New York. In May, 9 pixelated cartoon characters from the CryptoPunks series sold for $16.9 million. And just last month CryptoPunk number 9998, part of the series, sold for $530 million plus. It's the most expensive NFT ever sold, at least on paper. Someone bought the CryptoPunk NFT for 124,457 Ethereum, about $532 million. David Hockney, known for his photo collages and paintings of Los Angeles swimming pools, branded NFTs silly little things for crooks and swindlers. David Hockney is considered one of the most influential British artists of the 20th century. Despite this, advocates still believe NFTs can mount a challenge to the monopoly on trading art held by commercial galleries, and even create a future where physical artworks are replaced by their digital counterparts. In general, the commercial gallery world has been understandably reluctant about adopting blockchain technology. But with the NFT, the distinction between art and asset seems to have disappeared. So, what do you think about NFTs? Do you think that NFTs are all hype and have no true value? We would love to hear your opinion in the comments section below. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For the latest breaking crypto news, visit truecrypto.com. Thanks for watching.